Our story begins billions of years ago. The solar system was young, a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Gravity, that invisible sculptor, pulled matter together. At the center, a star ignited, our sun. Farther out, dust grains clumped together, growing into larger and larger bodies. These were the seeds of planets, planetesimals jostling for space in the sun's radiant glow. Over millions of years, they circled the sun, their paths crossing and recrossing. The early solar system was a chaotic, cosmic billiards game. Collisions were commonplace. Some planetesimals were flung out into the darkness, while others merged, growing larger with each impact. It was in this tumultuous environment between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter that a planet the size of Mars began to form. We call this lost world Theia. Theia, named after the Greek titan who gave birth to the moon goddess Selene, was destined for a dramatic fate. As Theia grew, its gravitational pull increased, tugging at its neighbors, disturbing the delicate balance of the early solar system. Its orbit, influenced by the powerful pull of Jupiter, became unstable. No longer content to circle the sun peacefully, Theia found itself on a collision course with a young, still-forming Earth. Imagine, if you will, the vastness of space, the blackness punctuated by the light of distant stars. And then two celestial bodies, glowing red-hot from the heat of their formation, hurtling towards each other at unimaginable speeds. What followed would be a defining moment in the history of our planet and the birth of our constant companion, the Moon. The impact was cataclysmic. Theia slammed into Earth with the force of 1 billion atomic bombs. The energy released was unimaginable, vaporizing vast amounts of rock and metal, creating a molten inferno that engulfed both planets. Debris, ejected into space by the force of the impact, formed a glowing ring around the wounded Earth. Molten rock rained down on the surface of our planet, boiling away any nascent oceans that may have formed. The impact had forever changed the Earth. It tilted our planet on its axis, giving us seasons. More importantly, it set the stage for the formation of our moon. The ring of debris, a chaotic whirlwind of molten rock and vaporized metal, began to cool and coalesce. Gravity, the master sculptor, once again exerted its influence. Over time, the debris clumped together, forming larger and larger bodies. Within a surprisingly short period, perhaps only a few thousand years, a new celestial body emerged from the chaos, our moon. The moon, born from the ashes of a cosmic collision, was initially much closer to Earth than it is today. Its gravitational pull, though weaker than it is now, influenced the tides and stabilized Earth's wobble. And so, from the violence of a cosmic collision, a beautiful partnership emerged. The Earth, scarred but resilient, and its constant companion, the Moon, a silent sentinel in the night sky, a reminder of the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of our universe.